Hello dear children, today we will start lesson number 20 preposition which is there in the textbook on page number 85. So first of all we'll start with the definition of preposition. We will see what is the definition of preposition. A preposition is a word placed before a noun expressing relation with another noun. This relation can be of place, time and position. So children, preposition are the words which are used to show the relation between two nouns in a sentence. Okay, when there are two nouns in the sentence, to show the relation between them, we use preposition. Okay, a preposition, the relation can be of place, means two nouns are there, so the relation can be of place also, it can be of time also, and it can be of position also. Okay, so at that time we use the words of preposition. Here examples are given. Joy found his book on the table. Now here book and table are noun. Okay, so Joy found his book on the table. Now on is the preposition. It is showing the relation between book and table with the help of on, preposition, that is on. Okay. Bitten parked her car in the garage. Now here car and garage are noun. So the relation between car and garage are shown by the preposition in. The dog ran behind the cat. Now here dog and cat are nouns and the relation is shown with the help of the preposition, that is behind. The postman is at the door. Now here postman and door are nouns and the relation is shown with the help of preposition, that is at. Okay. Now here on we can say on is the relation between table and book of place. Yes, where is the book? On the table. So on shows the relation and it is of place. Now here in the garage again you can come to know it's the relation between car and garage, and the relation can be of place. It is already told you. Yes, so with the help of in we can come to know the place, where is the car. Same way behind, at, it shows the relation between the two nouns. So now we will see what are the words of preposition and when to use that words. In, at and on. These three are preposition words. Okay, first of all we'll see at. At is used with noon, night, midnight and with the time of days. Now the words noon, night, midnight, when we are writing such kind of words, we use at with that. We use the preposition at with that. Examples are given: at noon, at midday, at night, at midnight. Even we can use at with the time of the day, that is at 6 o'clock, at 9:45. Okay. In is used with other parts of the day, months, years and seasons. In is used with other parts of the day. Even it can be used with months, years and seasons. Okay. For example, in 2005, in April, in the summer, in the morning, in the forenoon, in the afternoon, in the evening. Okay. On is used with days. We use on usually with days. Okay. That is on Monday, on 10th July. Like this we can use. So I hope in, at, on is clear to you when to use the preposition in, at and on. Now let us move further. Now these are also the words of preposition, that is on, over, under, above and below. Here examples are given. So we will read the examples to come to know about it. The cat is sitting on the fence. Now here on is preposition. The cat is sitting on the fence. Okay, exactly on the fence. Okay, that's why we use on. The cat jumped over the fence. Now here in the picture itself you can see the cat jumps over the fence. The chute is above the ground. The ball is under the table. When something is down the table, we say under it. Okay. The child is standing below the staircase. Now let us see the examples of the words preposition, that is between, among, behind, in, front of and near. Zara is sitting among boys. Now here among is used with boys. Yes, now plural forms are there. So when we are talking about more than two people, when we are talking about people which are more in the groups, okay, at that time we use among. It can be people, things, anything. If there is more than two things, we use preposition among. Jack is sitting between Tim and Shirin. Now here as you can see, Jack is sitting with Tim and Shirin. When we are talking about two things, two person, two animal or two place, at that time we use between. She lives near the school. The child was hiding behind the tree. He was sitting in front of her mother. Okay. Now let us see the preposition in and into. Study the sentences below. First one. The cat is bathing in the tub. Now the cat is there as you can see in the picture. It is bathing in the tub. The cat jumped into the tub. Now here the cat is jumping into it. So into the tub. She was walking in the garden. She walked into the house. Okay, so children, I hope so this words of prepositions are clear to you. Yes. So we will move with the exercises of it, which is there on page number 87. So let us begin with exercise number 1, which is there on page number 87. Okay. Underline the prepositions in the following sentence. Simply we have to underline the prepositions in the sentences given below. So first one is father is not at home. Now here father and home are nouns. So the relation between father and home is, we can come to know with the word of preposition, that is at. Okay. So at is preposition. He has eaten nothing since yesterday. Now here since is preposition. Okay. What is that in your hand? Here in is preposition. He was among the crowd. Here among is preposition. I gave 10 rupees for it. Here for is preposition. Let us walk along the shore. Here along is preposition. I don't know anything about it. Now here about is preposition. The policeman is on duty. On is preposition. The moon goes round the sun. Here round is preposition. Let us go for a walk. Here for is preposition. They live across the river. Across is preposition. The room is 20 feet by 60. Here by is preposition. He sat beside me at dinner. Here at is preposition. Sorry children, here beside is preposition. Okay, not at. I am afraid of your dog. Here of is preposition. The boy fell off the bicycle. Here of is preposition. The house is on fire. Here on is preposition. He is tall for his age. Here again for is preposition. I met him on the way by chance. Here by is preposition. Okay. With this we completed our exercise number 1. Now here exercise number 2 is there. We have to filling the blanks with the words given alongside. Here words are given, that is between, above and under. And one picture is given. With the help of this we have to filling the blanks which is there over here on the next page. So let's begin with it. There is a doll in the cupboard. It's between a clock and a radio. You can observe the pictures, children, which is there in this page, and with the help of this you will come to know the position of the nouns. Okay, and we can filling the blanks over here. There is a kite under the doll. There is a bottle above the clock. The radio is under a ball. There is a book between the bottle and the ball. It is above the doll. Okay, so like this you have to complete this exercise. Now children, exercise number 3, which is the last exercise of this lesson. Look at this picture and fill in the blanks with suitable preposition. Here one picture is given. With the help of this we have to fill in the blanks. First one, the children are playing dash the tree. So here you can see the children are playing. They are playing under the tree. So we will write under. There is a bicycle dash the children. Can you see the bicycle? Yes, it is behind the children. So we will write behind. There are 3 apples dash the table. We can see apples. Yes, they are on the table. So we will write on over here. There is a dog dash the table. Again the dog. Can you see the dog? The dog is under the table. Some birds are flying dash the sky. In the sky. So children, we completed our exercise number 3 also. You have to complete all these 3 exercises in the textbook. Thank you. Children, in your textbook, revision test 3 is there on page number 93. Yes. So in that question number 4 is there on page number 94. In that one exercise is there, that is filling the blanks with appropriate preposition. So we will do this exercise also. Okay, we related to preposition. So first one, here simply we have to filling the blanks with the words of preposition. First one is the rattle is dash no use to me. The rattle is of no use to me. Next sentence, the meditation session will take place dash Tuesday. So the preposition we will use over here is on. Sunanda's anniversary is dash July. Here in will come. Anandi was glad dash meet Bandana. So to meet Bandana. Anandi was glad to meet Bandana. What do you call a dog dash French? What do you call a dog in French? Next sentence, look dash the stars in the sky. Look at the stars in the sky. Next sentence, don't be late dash school. Don't be late for school. Last sentence of this exercise, Sumit and Anisha have gone dash a vacation. On a vacation. So you have to do this exercise also on which is there on page number 94 along with the chapter of preposition. Okay. Thank you.